This is how to find your scheduled Instagram reels or post. From your home page, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Click on the horizontal lines. Scroll down until you find Account Type and Tools. Now click on Schedule Content. Here you will find the post you scheduled. Click on the three dots next to your reels. Click on Edit to adjust anything that needs to be adjusted. Tap on the reel itself. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Click on Edit Reel. Go ahead and adjust anything that needs to be adjusted in your reel. Click Done to reschedule the reel. Click on the three dots again. Click Schedule and pick your date and time. Click Done. To delete the schedule content, click on the three dots again. Click Delete, then click Delete again. To reschedule another post or reels, click on Schedule Now, then go ahead and pick a new reel or post. Basically, this is how to find your scheduled post or reels. For more useful tutorials like this, check out my Instagram playlist. Please subscribe if you haven't. Bye for now.